Welcome you all to English grammar class. This is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. Students, in this session we are going to understand kinds of sentences. What is a sentence? A group of words arranged properly to express complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words arranged properly to express complete sense is called a sentence. Let's see kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. Declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are those that make a statement. These sentences declare something. They end with a full stop. Students, please look at these examples. My dog is sick. I like to play indoor games. It is a nice day. I enjoy playing with my toys. These sentences declare something. They end with a full stop. They are called declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are further divided into assertive and negative sentences. Assertive sentences are simple statements, whereas negative sentences are statements with negatives. Students, please look at these examples. The children are swimming. Everyone should not rush to the door. She will not be watching TV. Alexander the Great came to India. First one is the children are swimming. As it's a simple statement ends with the full stop, this is an assertive sentence. Second one is everyone should not rush to the door. If we notice here, we can see no response. Should not rush. This sentence ends with a full stop, declares something negatively. So, this is a negative sentence. Similarly, third and fourth one. Third one is, she will not be watching TV. Students, can you tell me, is it assertive or negative? She will not be watching TV. No response. So, it's a negative statement. Fourth one is, Alexander the Great came to India. Yes, it ends with a full stop, declares something positively. So, it's an assertive sentence. Students, please look at this exercise. You have to say whether these sentences are assertive or negative. First one is, the weather is warm and sunny. Yes, you are right. This sentence ends with a full stop, declares something positively. So, this is an assertive sentence. Second one is, the dog chased the boy. Absolutely, once again, assertive. Third one is, I am not flying to England. Yes, I am not flying. Negative. So, it's a negative sentence. Fourth one is, my new dress is black and white. Yes, assertive. Fifth one is, they don't practice for the match. They don't practice. Negative. So, it's a negative sentence. Sixth one is, they will not be joining us for dinner tonight. They will not be joining. So, it's a negative statement. Very good, students. Students, I hope you all have understood what a declarative sentence is and its two kinds, assertive and negative. Meet you in the next session. Bye for now. Thank you.